Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So what are we going to learn today? About extraction of data from PDF on a complete automation basis. We have taken the sample use case of TDS Challan where there are important information which we need to process further. When the quantity of Challan is too much, then it becomes a cumbersome process for us. So we will try and automate everything. So I will show you. I have some sample files and here I have one Challan, and we all know how a challan looks like. Vertical data is there, head, nature of payment, amount, date of payment, and everything is there. Okay, so I have kept two challan here and we will do from absolutely scratch. We will use Power Query, how we can automate the PDFs. So what I will do is create a simple new Excel workbook, and here we'll go to data tab, get data. Now one thing is tricky which you have to have the clear knowledge, that we have to automate other challans as well which are not existent, which may be in future or which are there here and there. So we cannot choose one single PDF. What we have to do is make the source a folder where we can keep all the challans. So this way you can come to know whether you want to get the source from folder, from PDF, from CSV, etc. When there are future files or multiple files, it is best to choose from folder. So we will choose from folder, and we have already kept all the things in sample file. Okay, so we will choose the location and paste it here. We can see sample files open. Now since there are two files, so this is going to show us that there are two files. Okay, we can directly combine, but we have to do a little bit of transformation. So we will click on transform data. Now we will do step-by-step process. This is a one-time process. Okay, since there are two files, we will click on this button and here we will combine the files. So it is going to ask us which tables do you want to combine. As I have shown in the challan that there are two tables. Okay, the first table you can see is this and second table is this. So Power Query will identify this as two tables. Okay, so we'll go back and see table 1, we can see this, and table 2 is this. We do not want data from this, we want from table 1. Okay, so we will choose table 1 and okay. So now it is going to combine all the table 1 for us. Okay, so here we can see that every table 1 of every file in the folder has been combined for us. Okay, so what we can do is now select, suppose we simply want amount as our first column. So we will just click on amount in rupees, we'll leave in words. Okay, and now you can see amount first challan is this, second challan is this. Okay, and we'll remove the unnecessary columns, remove for two challans, and then close and load. So here we have fetched the amount from all the challans. The amazing thing as always about Power Query is the automation. So I will show you. Suppose I have some extra files which I am pasting here, okay, in the folder which we have given the location, and simply I right click and click on refresh, and you can see that all the challans, there are 7-8 challans, everybody's amount has come. So this is a perfect automation and we have extracted the amount. Now a simple trick is there how we want to extract more than one column. Okay, so what I will do is, for now I will remove them. You can also keep them, not an issue, and I will once again refresh it to reflect the live data. Okay, so what we will do is we'll go to query and edit. Now since this is a vertical table, it is not possible for us to keep it vertically because this will be meaningless. So what we can do is we can stack the data sideways. Okay, so what we'll do is simple, we will merge the table sideways. Okay, how we can do it? We will copy and simply duplicate it. Okay, sample file is there, we can rename it. Suppose we want the 10 number. Okay, so 10 number file is this. Now we will go back, removed column and filtered rows. So everything is coming. We'll remove the unnecessary column, remove, and here I just want the 10 number. Okay, okay, so we can see both the 10s are coming. Again, maybe I want maybe section number. Okay, so I'll duplicate it, and maybe challan number or anything, challan number. Again I will remove the filtered and choose challan number. So you can see challan number is there. Now the trick is to combine the sample file. This is our main file. So what we'll do is merge query. Okay, I have told you earlier also, merge and append. Merge is sideways stacking and append is horizontal stacking, one after another. Okay, so we will merge queries. In this existing file, we will merge all others. So on the basis of single column, it has to be merged, and we have the source name. That's why we have kept the source name as, so that it remains constant. So source name is this. Suppose we want the 10 number file, and on the basis of source name, this is going to perfectly match because the Challan name of the file is same. Okay, 100% it will match, 2 out of 2. Okay, and now you can see that file is here, and simply I will click on column 3, and you can see 10 number is there. Again I will merge queries, and this time I will choose maybe Challan number file. Again I'll choose the source, on the basis of the source name it is going to merge, and okay, and again I will choose column 3 because I've already filtered the data, column 3. And now what I can do is, I want to rename, I do not want to rename, that's a different thing. 10 number and Challan number. Okay, and this is the amount. Okay, column 1 also now we do not need it, so we'll remove it and simply close and load. And you can see sample file is there, and there will be another sample file, and we will simply do the refresh, and you can see amount 10 number Challan. Needless to say that as soon as I copy all the files here and simply do a refresh, I can do from here also, I can go to data and refresh all also when there are multiple queries. So refresh all will bring everything for us in sequential order in which we have given. Okay, so this can be amazingly useful when you have multiple data files. Suppose you have 100 Challans for your clients or anything, and you want to extract whether amount is matching, 10 number, and everything you can fetch with automation. So I hope you liked this video and this has added some value. Don't forget to put your comments in the comment section. What did you like the most about this video? And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for continuous automation and AI learning. The upcoming videos are going to be more and more exciting, and don't forget to share with your friends. See you in the next video.